So this is the pound yen analysis for Friday the 1st of November. So let's just have a look at prices, what's happened with prices and where they're likely to go. So we've got this move here, likely a fundamental news catalyst in regards to the pound. We've seen the pound catch a bid in around this area here. So we've had a move up, we've had pullbacks, and we've had a series of higher lows, as you can see here, supportive of bullish price action. Now, the price action seems bullish. We have not had negative reactions to these minor weekly levels. We've broken out above this 149.78, so we have to look at potential upside targets. So we have gotten this pretty extended run, so we just got to scale on there, get some perspective on the chart. So the very next key level we're looking at is 152.85, which is an area that we did see a big sell-off from earlier in the year. So 152.85, we're potentially looking for sell side momentum, possibly taking us all the way back down to 151.25. If we're not able to hold that, we're looking at 150.56, and below that level we're looking at the 149.78. But we can't anticipate 149.78 coming into focus. What might actually come into focus is in around 150.56, maybe the lower end of the zone, but we have to be cautious and be aware of this 149.78. Now, the overall, that's if we do get an adverse move here on Friday the 1st of December. Now, if we do get the continuation that we are expecting, we would expect to see price test 152.85, from which we might see some selling momentum take us down to 151.25. Or we might even have a shallower retracement than that. But the key level that we're looking at is from 52.85 to possibly down to 51.25. Now, if we do move towards the 52.85 and we do hold the level, the very next level after which we're looking at is in around this 154.72. That's the very next level. I would expect that to be out of the range of the pound yen, but that's the level that we're looking at to possibly see opportunities for to have a look in around this 54. Sorry, let's just compose my thoughts. So in around this 154.72, we might actually see some sell side momentum come into the market. So we're just going to have a look at the daily chart for wrapping up here on the pound yen. So if we head over to the daily chart and we get the scale on here correct, as we can see here, we've had a pretty strong move. So we've had our highs there, we've had a lower high, we've had a persistent trend to the downside. We've come down to 147.35, trade below it all the way down to 147, and we've caught an amazing bid. What we've seen here are very strong candles, very large candles, somewhat outliers in comparison to most of these the majority of the candles here on the left. There are a few that would conform to the price movements of what we've seen here more recently, and there are a few candles, but overall we've had a very strong run, very little movement to the downside, and we do poise for more upside momentum. So 52.85, which we've previously mentioned, which was the high just there, pretty much the highs of 2017, and from there we're looking for 154.72. So that should wrap up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.